In a forest lush and grand, a nightingale filled the air with her gentle song. Her melodies shimmered like morning light, pure and full of joy. Every creature paused to listen, enchanted by her beautiful tune. But far above, a hungry hawk heard the sound and turned his gaze. With a powerful sweep of his wings, he soared toward the music. The nightingale stopped, sensing danger approaching. The hawk glided through the sky, guided by her fragile song. She hid among the leaves, her heart trembling with fear. The hawk swooped down, swift and determined, yet the tiny nightingale stood bravely, facing her fate. The hawk landed before her, towering like a shadow. With a trembling voice, the nightingale whispered her plea. The hawk hesitated, his heart softening as he heard her words. In that quiet moment, the forest held its breath. The hawk turned away, choosing mercy over hunger. Grateful, the nightingale sang a gentle song of thanks. The hawk listened, peace filling his weary heart. Then with a graceful leap, he flew back into the open sky. And under the calm night, the nightingale's song carried hope through the forest once more.